Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to try a bunch of products from the new Kiko Milano collection called Beauty Roar. I have seen a Instagram feed from the lovely page Trend Mood, so that made me go straight to the Kiko Milano website and I picked up a few products from this collection, but I also picked up a few other products from this brand that have started to grow on me. So I have again almost a full face of Kiko Milano. So if you want to hear my thoughts about those new products and see them on action, then just keep on watching. Alright, let's open up this box because I haven't even touched it since I received it, so I just save it for today's video. So everything is going to be a first impression. How did they close you? I don't find any opening. I pulled out everything because there was no way I can open that box. Prior going to Italy and rediscovering Kiko Milano brand, I even didn't know that they are shipping internationally and of course to my country, and I'm very surprised that the shipping was fast and I think it arrived in 2 days, so it's my first time ordering anything from Italy. Okay, the products are a little bit beaten. Now I'm going to read you what this collection contains. So this is a limited edition collection called New Beauty Roar collection and includes 2-in-1 creamy stylo and universal lip liners, 2-in-1 cushion bronzer and contour, 3-in-1 all over luminizer gel, a 3-in-1 cleansing mask, so it also has skincare, a beauty organizer, eyebrow fixing gel, flawless look face palettes, eyebrow pencils, metallic liquid eyeshadows, match with you tinted face base, multi-finish eyeshadow palettes, pH colorful lip balm, radiant face serum, refreshing face cream, skincare accessory set, soft face primer, volumizing and curling effect mascaras, and stunning eyes markers. I also got some products that I wanted for my collection or I wanted to try in other shades. So yeah, let me show you first what I picked up. I got another of those liners. This is the double-ended liner. It only was available in this shade. I believe they are going to discontinue. So this is the Lasting Duo Eye Pencil and it has a like a bronzy, more blushy shade. I'm not sure if you are able to tell. You can tell that I put back my hair, and then this very gorgeous blue. This is actually, oh, look at the beautiful packaging. So it's coming in this gorgeous box and then it's packed in this paper. And I remember that this is a powder foundation. The packaging is gorgeous. So yeah, this is the Dolce Viva powder foundation with SPF 50 in the shade 02 Porcelain. But why I purchased it? Look how beautiful it is. I think the shade will do match me. And you also have a cushion because during summer, if you need to touch up with SPF, you can use a spray SPF, or you also can use a powder foundation or a powder with SPF. I have one from, I don't remember the brand, but it's a loose powder. The problem is that almost doesn't come out anything. I need to depot that in other container, but I think this is more easy for travel to have it and touch up on the go, especially on the points where the sun hits you the most. So I think this is genius, of course, when you are wearing makeup, and I read very good things about this. So this is the swatch. I think it's perfect for my skin tone, especially during summer. It will match me, but I'm going to try it. Kiko Milano do offer free shipping over 49 euro of purchase, and my order I think was around 70 euros. And also I had a small discount. Oh yeah, this is a concealer and primer, 2-in-1. Bloomy Perfecting Concealer and Eye Primer Duo. The shade is 01. This is the outer packaging. I forgot about this because I used the other Kiko Milano concealer that I bought. So you have the concealer here, and again I managed to shade match. This is a shade that it will work for me. But the interesting side, it's the eyeshadow primer. So I'm not sure this is primer for your concealer or for your lids. I'll have to test it out as well. But it is transparent. And then I got another shade of this lipstick. You remember, let me show the packaging. This is the Unlimited Double Touch Liquid Lip Color. This is the outer packaging. And this is the shade that I currently own. And I wanted a shade more muted to use it for my office or for my work. So the shade that I have is 119. And I got the 120 actually. Wow, what a surprise. But look, I'll show the colors are different. So this is more neutral. I'm going to apply it. So this is 119 and this is 120. I believe it's more wearable. Now I need to remove the swatches, so I will be back. While I was wiping my swatches, I also applied this, the shade 120 from this liquid lipstick, and now I'm going to apply the gloss. And this is very good lipstick because it does last. And the gloss, it makes it very wearable. You see, it's only a bit transferred to the actual brush. I don't like the brush, I'm not a big fan. So I will not be worried about reapplying my lipstick. Because even after you have lunch, it doesn't wear off in a patchy way. So I love that. Now returning to the Beauty Roar collection. So what I picked up, they had two of those contour ones. So this is the 2-in-1 cushion, bronzer and contour. And I was oscillating because none of those shades I thought they would work for me. I finally ended up with the shade Hazelnut. And I have doubt that it will work for me. So it's similar to the, oh no, it's similar to the Charlotte Tilbury one because you have here the open and close mechanism. So I will show you where I have put it. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury. Look here, even they have the same size. So I tell you, buy from Kiko Milano if you can, because most of those high-end brands are producing their makeup in Italy, especially in or around Milan area. There is one of the biggest makeup factories in the world. And also I will insert swatches and comparisons with those to these new contour ones from E.L.F. They are called Halo Glow Beauty ones, and I just have my review if you want to see what I think about them. I'm just searching for the other shade. Yeah, so I have those two shades from E.L.F. and this one from Kiko Milano. Up to down, Charlotte Tilbury in the shade Fair Medium. It's Charlotte Tilbury. Then this is E.L.F. in light to medium, Kiko Milano in Hazelnut, and E.L.F. Halo Glow in Fair to Light. So those are the swatches. But let's swatch this one. Twist to open. It's nicer. I'm happy that I didn't get, I think the second shade was Cocoa, and I thought it will be too dark for me, but this is a beautiful color and doesn't look bad. I'm impressed and happy in the same time. It looks really nice. Now if you are fair to light, yes, it will work for you, but it's not very pigmented. But I love the fact that it's not patchy. If you remember, I was telling you when I've tried those from E.L.F. that no matter what kind of liquid contour I put on me, they look patchy. But this, I can even build it up and it's still nice. And I heard that this new collection from Kiko Milano should be in stores online to Ulta. So if you have the chance to try it or try something from this collection, please let me know. I purchased this and I cannot try it right now. This is the 2-in-1 Creamy Stylo and Universal Lip Liner. I have it in the shade 01, so I will only be able to swatch it, but on one end it has this white kind of liner. It should help with bleeding, so if you swatch it, there is nothing, it's just transparent, but this helps with product not feathering around your lipstick. And this is the color, it's absolutely stunning. It's not very pigmented. I'm going to insert a swatch or a footage. I will apply this tomorrow. And the last product that I purchased from this collection, the Beauty Roar, is the multi-finish eyeshadow palette. I got all my colors, so 02. So it was difficult to only pick one, but I need to stick with low buy in eyeshadow palettes. Oh yeah, I purchased this one, of course. If you know me, you know that love me some blue. Alright, she's beautiful. It's made in Italy and it has a shelf life of 12 months. Love the packaging, it's very sleek, high-end, like everything Kiko Milano does. And actually, I got one more thing. This is the beauty organizer that I remember now it was coming free with minimum 3 products purchased from the Beauty Roar collection. It's actually very nice. So you have here the zipper, and here you have the Kiko, and you can, oh, you have 3 compartments. This is quite cool. So you can definitely, I will definitely use this for my upcoming vacation. I'm going to travel for a weekend to Budapest with my friends. So I'm going to take this with me so I can definitely organize my skincare and makeup. I think this much it will be enough for one weekend. So love it. Also, it has this loop so you can hang it somewhere if you want. Absolutely love it. And also being transparent, you can see what is it inside. So for the final test, I'm going to try this one. But wait, because I showed you the powder, I will use this powder all over the face because I do not have a setting powder. So today I used this amazing Loreal foundation, the Infallible Fresh Wear, 32 hours fresh wear, but the shade is a little bit dark for me, so I cannot wait to get more tan. And I did not set it because I knew that I'm going to try the contour, but now I'm able to add this powder all over. I think I will need a bit of a bronzer. I will also have to add blush, but I'm going to do that after I play with the eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start with this color. I don't have too many options for the transition, so I'm going to use this shade for my transition, but I will drag it all over the lid. It's that light for being a transition shade, but it's still okay. And the brush that I'm using is a Referee 27, and you can also use this shade as a transition if you want. Now with a slightly slimmer brush, I'm going to use this one from Diva 230. This is the Luxe Pencil. I'm going to take this shade, which is quite pigmented, but it's not scary. So this is more like a blue with gray undertone. I can come back with this transition shade, or I can add a touch of this blushy tone, because both are cool tones, blue and pink. I will use the same shade on my lower lashes, and with the same brush, because I'm lazy, I'm going to dip it in this jewel tone blue shade. And even though it looks scary on the pan, it's quite wearable. And now I'm going to add this copper pink shade. Yeah, so definitely this is a shade that it activates with setting spray. I finished adding that foiled shade on my entire lid, and now I will have to take care of this inner corner. But for that, purpose, I'm going to use this double-ended liner. And it's not that I carefully choose this liner for this eyeshadow palette, but this was the only shade they have left. And the blue, I'm going to use a tad on the waterline and a little bit on the outer V. Definitely the formula is similar to the Charlotte one. They are extremely creamy and they do work on shadow. It gives length and also volume. I will add the E.L.F. Halo Glow highlighter. And if you are wondering about the jewelry that I'm wearing, this is by Read Your Heart. And also I'm wearing the necklace and the bracelet from Read Your Heart. So I have a video that is already up, so check it out, because in that video I'm going to share with you what I got from Read Your Heart and also all my Read Your Heart Moissanite collection. So I highly recommend you, and I believe they still have the sale by the time I'm uploading this video. And returning to today's video, what do I think about this new collection from Kiko Milano? Now, unfortunately, I could not get everything I wanted, but I'm loving the eyeshadow palette. I thought all the shadows are performing well. They are buttery. It's nothing less that I was expecting from Kiko Milano. The only shade that I did not wear is this whitish. Maybe I will add this on top here to fade the transition between those two shades. I like to do that, but I love it, and if it's still available, you can pick any of those two. Those three, they have 3 shades or 3 variants of the palette, because I think it's good. And I'm very happy that I picked up this particular shade from the 2-in-1 Cushion Bronzer and Contour. I love the shade Hazelnut. And of course, the new shade that I got, I'm very excited about. I'm also excited about the dual-ended eye pencil, spot on dupe, I will say, for the Charlotte Tilbury, and very excited about this SPF 50 powder. Dolce Vita Powder Foundation SPF 50 in shade 02 Porcelain. Alright, you guys, so this is everything for today. Now it's your turn to let me know if you have tried anything from this new collection by Kiko Milano, and if you have tried any other things from them. I will really be interested to hear your thoughts about this lovely brand. But other than that, I hope you'll have a fabulous day. Don't forget that the most beautiful makeup, it's your own smile, and I'm going to see you really, really soon. Bye bye!